disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Use a 13mm socket. And slide that to the side. On the positive terminal, there's a wing nut. I'm just going to loosen this up. Do the best you can. If you have a wing nut, this might not be factory. Take that off. And take that off. There's a washer there. A couple cables. Take the cable off as well. Take an 11mm wrench or socket, loosen this nut up, and take the terminal off. I'm just gonna clean these terminal ends. Just use some type of wire brush. You don't necessarily need an electric gun with a wire brush, but you just take a wire brush, clean these up, get some of the corrosion off. Clean underneath and on top. Same with this piece. It's always a good idea to clean the battery terminals with a battery terminal cleaner. That looks good. Do the same on this one while you're there. And we're not replacing the negative end, so we'll just clean this while I'm here as well. Now take the terminal end, slide it over. And you can snug this down if you want first. Take a 10mm wrench, snug it down, just give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight, and put this wire on first, then this bracket. And if you want to put the wing nut back on, or if you want to put a nut on, you can put a nut on. Snug that down, give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. You just got to tighten this a little bit more. That's good. I'll put the negative terminal on. Use a 13mm wrench and tighten this down. Give it a wiggle. It's good.